Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we're going to see debit memo transactional flow. Let me try to create one sales order. So with the document type, it's like your war only. I have created dr transactional flow. Let's try to choose this one, material. See, always you will have a doubt. Your business partner and your SD side created customer is the same. Sometimes it might be the same. It need not be same. It always differs. It depends on your customer requirement. Okay. Now let's try to save this. Now let's click on the delivery for this. So you have done so you have taken one pack. Let's try to do it for our delivery. We have done the port score issue. Let's click on VF01. See, if it is 2 packs, then you don't have problem. Sometimes if any order related billing is there, only 1 pack is there, then you have to issue the debit memo. Let's double click this, go to the conditions. Okay, let's try to change. Let's assume it is created for 500 euros only. Let's save this. Okay, but if you go to order, so let's go by manual mistake. So it should be 1 pack. Okay, let's go to the doc flow. If you see, this should be 1 actually. So invoice, it's supposed to be invoice. So you have done extra like 500, but actually you delivered 1000 grams. Instead of 500 grams, you delivered 1000 grams. Let's go to the details. Let's go to the more doc flow and try to view item wise. Okay, so now you can able to see this. So it should be 500 euros, 500 euros, invoice also 500 euros. Actually, you have later you came to know that it is dispatched actually double stock. So you're supposed to be get adjusted this one. How do you do that? Okay, so let me try to create manual debit memo dr for this, or else with reference to invoice or sales order you can able to take it always. So let's try to put the quantity. So company is supposed to receive back remaining 500 euros. Actually, for 1 gram 1 euro is there, 1000 euros it is got delivered. Let me show you. So if you see here, it is delivered 2 packs. So when you go to the document flow, it says that your sales order delivered how much? Sales order says only 500, 1 pack only. 1 pack equal to, double click this, will come to know. Sales tab, 1 pack equal to 500. Actual 2 packs means 1000 delivered. Another 500 euros is lost for the company. For that, you just tell to the customer, and either he would like to return it, or else if he having a requirement, then you just need to collect the cash from for the additional quantity which is delivered. Okay, now see, if you see debit memo, it is 500. Okay, so it's fine, like in this case it is okay. So let's save this. Let's go to the edit. Let's try to put the order reason. You can choose this. So you can choose like any one of the reason, difference in quantity. quantity discrepancy. You can choose the reason. Let's go back. Try to save this. We are collecting from our customer. Now let's try to do the bill. By default, you will have a billing block. Okay. Now you go there and try to go check the log. Okay. Because if someone needs to be approved, it is always you know approval waiting. So since we are creating this one, you will just choose this. Let's try to do the bill. So now you got this one. So now we are doing this one. Let's save this. Now let's click VF02 for this debit memo. You see L2 is the debit memo. It is got created. So this is for 500 euros. So now let's check the accounting document. So you see when you do the debit memo, revenue account will be credited. Again, customer account will be debited because you have a collection. Okay. This is all about your debit memo request and the debit memo flow. So next session, we're going to see another business process like invoice correction request.